junkies, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and for Friday, May 11th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. It's almost the weekend, guys, with the market increasingly sensitive to weak economic data. Now that earnings season is all but over, investors found a slew of reasons Thursday to suggest stocks are overbought at current levels. Yesterday, the S&P 500 finished within 1% of its March 2000 record, and the Dow closed at an all-time high for the 21st time this year. Today, however, the S&P 500 shaved 1.4% off its 6.6% year-to-date advance. The Dow posted its first triple-digit decline since the day, March 13th, that this 7-week rally got underway. All three major averages closed near session lows, suggesting the likelihood of some carryover weakness tomorrow morning, especially given the release of even more key economic data. Setting the bearish tone for trading today was a plethora of disappointing same-store sales figures. April comps were widely anticipated to be weak, given poor weather, rising gas prices, and an earlier Easter, but no one anticipated it would be the worst April on record. According to the UBS International Council of Shopping Centers, overall April sales fell 2.3%, the biggest drop since the index began tracking the data. Just a day removed from the Fed reiterating its continued concerns about inflation risks, a larger-than-expected 1.3% rise in import prices last month gave sellers another excuse to question current valuations. Throw in a wider-than-expected trade deficit and a lack of the very deal-making news that has provided a substantial floor of support for stocks of late, and today's pullback wasn't much of a surprise. We continue to believe there is no reason for the stock market to have rallied so strongly since the beginning of the year was based on deteriorating fundamentals. Technology was also in focus Wednesday, but initially for negative reasons. Cisco Systems, a suggested holding in the Briefing.com active portfolio, beat analyst forecasts Tuesday night, but its fourth quarter sales guidance left the market wanting more. All 10 economic sectors not only closed lower, but all of them were down at least 1% each. Energy turned in the day's worst performance despite a modest rebound in crude oil prices. It is worth noting, however, that energy has also been the best performing S&P sector since stocks bottomed in mid-March. And now for our small cap news brought to you today by Rancher Energy Corporation. Rancher Energy engages in the development, production, and marketing of oil and gas in North America. Left Behind Games Incorporated shares got a boost yesterday and today as company plans to expand distribution through direct-to-store relationships with approximately 250 stores in the inspirational marketplace. The company also announced plans this week to introduce Left Behind Eternal Forces to the Asian online gaming market. Forces puts players in a post-apocalyptic world in the ultimate battle of good versus evil, based on the popular Left Behind book series, which has sold more than 63 million copies worldwide. Leading Brands Incorporated announced this week that it was featured in a story in the Vancouver Sun newspaper front page, touting the fact that True Blue blueberry juice is being given by radiology experts at the renowned St. Paul's Hospital to patients before they undergo magnetic resonance imaging scans. The company also recently announced that it has been appointed as the exclusive master distributor of Buku energy drinks throughout Canada. Buku Shot is marketed to consumers in search of a quick boost of energy without the bulk. The Buku Shot beverage was rated by AC Nielsen as one of the top 10 energy drinks in 2006. And that's it for our newsmakers today. It's a short one. Stay tuned right here to Quality Stocks Daily for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. And also make sure you look for that Quality Stocks Daily newsletter, which is available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you again Monday on the Daily Report.
You've got it.